In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a zone in TradingView. For traders and analysts, marking zones can be a crucial part of understanding market movements and planning your strategies effectively. Whether you're looking to identify support and resistance, or you want to highlight particular price ranges, marking these zones will make your charting much more insightful. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by locating the brush icon on your TradingView chart. This icon is part of the drawing tools, and you'll find it on the left toolbar. Once you click on the brush icon, you'll see a variety of drawing options, and among these, you'll have to select the rectangle tool. Now, if you scroll down this list, you should notice that the rectangle tool is typically around the sixth option. This tool is perfect for marking zones because it allows you to draw a highlighted area on your chart between two defined price or time points. Now that you've selected the rectangle tool, it's time to draw your zone. Simply click on the chart and drag between the price points or time intervals that you want to highlight. With this, you've created your zone, and this is where the fun begins as we get to customize it. To fine-tune your drawn zone, click on the rectangle's corners or edges to adjust its boundaries according to your needs. This step is all about precision. If you find that your zone needs more specific adjustments, right-click on the rectangle and select Settings. This option will allow you to customize various aspects such as the color of your zone, its opacity, and the border style. You can also add text or choose whether the zone should extend in any direction, left, right, up, or down, which is particularly useful if you want the zone to adapt dynamically as new data comes in. One handy trick while you're here is to save your customized rectangle as a template. By doing so, you can quickly reuse these settings without having to adjust them every time you create a new zone. This is particularly effective if you use different styles for varied zone types, such as differentiating between support and demand zones. As a tip, one feature you'll find very useful is the Extend Right option. This allows your zone to continue as new price bars appear on your chart, keeping your analysis consistent over time. Also, consider creating and saving multiple templates if you work with different types of zones. This way, you can easily switch between them based on what aspect of the market you're analyzing at the time. With these methods, you'll be able to mark and manage your zones like a pro. It's a straightforward process that, when used properly, can greatly enhance your charting capabilities and trading insight. So next time you load up TradingView, remember these steps and transform your analysis. Happy trading!